We'll guide you through how to connect ChatGPT to Canva. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now, the first thing that you need to do is open ChatGPT, and then once that the ChatGPT is open, at the left hand side, you will see many options. You will see apps. Just go ahead and click on apps, and just wait for it to load. And now here you will see Canva at the top, or you can also search for Canva in the search bar, and you should get the result. And here it is. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. Now you will see option to connect. Just go ahead and click on that. And now just go ahead and sign in with Canva. After you have completed the process, just go ahead and click on allow. And now as you can see, the authorization was successful. And now ChatGPT and Canva will be linked successfully. You can just go ahead and click on start chat. And now as you can see, the Canva is now selected. You can use Canva directly through supported ChatGPT feature, making it easier to access your Canva design and workflow without constantly switching between different platforms. And that's it. That's how you connect ChatGPT to Canva. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.